Money also problem.
Money also problem. Handsome also problem. Now guys, you don't know the place name here. The place name is called Chongpiang Chiang Chong Chang Cha. Pek Lang Chong Kuk Le. Cherrapunji. We'll be going in the waterfalls. Keep on watching, and then I will let you see the Reang Malik. Reang. Don't think Jen Malik. They are Reang Malik. See, handsome boy. Thank you so much, Lechu, for your hospitality. And another handsome Malik. Mangso man. What do you want to say for our journey, Lechu?
Safe journey, enjoy.
Yes.
So,
Okay, thank you. Pray for us. See. What is reading, man? My God. New Testament. We're getting ready. Yo, mister, we're ready, right?
very much.
I have to use your spec.
We can.
Check it down. Getting ready. Come on.
You take
Check it down.
clear.
Safe journey.
Safe journey!
Where are we going?
Cherrapunji!
Check it out, man. Here our team is getting ready. So let me show you the view. And the view goes like goosebump. See. This is the view. This is the viewpoint of Brochong. This is the Shillong. And then this is the water point, the place where they used to take water and sell it to the city. Keep on watching, we'll be moving towards. Come on, Cherrapunji. Come on, we can do it, Brochong. Group video, not group photo.
Yeah.
Check it out, safe journey. Chọn lan, Renona, bye bye.
Cả sáu phía
Hey,
đấy.
Can I check clock? Our teammates are working. Come on, rider. Clock. Drop us, please. Tailgate na, otherwise they may look also. Tick, clock. Ay. Accident happened during vlogging. I thumbnail women let you accident. Yo man, it's time to say goodbye to Shillong. Yo man, check it out. Yo. Sorongga, we're in the Cherrapunji way. Here is the first stop. You can see the view. Check it out. Yo man, let me show you the view. Mister, how is your feeling? How's your feeling?
Tire condition. Not happy.
See, he's not happy with the tire condition. See, check it out. It's all gone. Pura gaya. Dakas have to do ekdom cornering. Only this side and this side. In order to save his tire. The view is awesome. Awesome. Now guys, you don't know the place name here. The place name is called Chongpiang Chiang Chong Chang Cha. Pek Lang Chong Kuk Le. Okay. Yo man, here is a rope sliding. Exactly, I don't know the name. I just wanted to do, but what to do? No money. Poor. गरीब लोग क्या करेगा? क्या करेगा गरीब लोग? Only can do soronge. All our bike have been already problems. Dakas have tire problem, and then Broston have suspension problem, and brother Andy have chain problem. All of us have problem. Money also problem. Handsome also problem.
कुछ भी
Take your camera and keep running. Show your man. Yo, finally we have reached the Nohkalikai Falls. Check it out, yo. There's 3 beaches and then our teams, and let me show you the waterfalls. Check it out. So awesome. Yeah, coming. Oh my goodness. This is a viewpoint. The entry fee costs 50 rupees. 1 bite. Yo man, Nohkalikai Waterfalls. So awesome. I can never imagine. Here is the viewpoint. Dancer to play together. Check it out.
Mister. Urol je double ikhi Cherrapunji thabi tumle.
Je I reo je in reo.
Aku rim kleu ne. Thang song ne.
Cherrapunji. Check it out. This is a Nohkalikai Waterfalls poster. She. Check it out. Show some. Yo man. Check it out. Broston, how's you feeling?
Okay.
What okay? You're not hungry or what?
More than hungry.
Come on, mister. Let's have something. Yes, we're going to read history. Hey, Daka, read loudly. Check it out. We don't have time to read because our storage is so full. Please read it. Let me take it for them so that they may read. After reading this, please don't cry. It's very emotional story. This only is just part 1. There is more details. You can check in the Google. I think you may get more. Check it out.